I'm going to talk very simply about the recycle bin and icons. I'm going to delete some icons and then restore the icons. Now, in an earlier tutorial, I pointed out that these images on the left-hand side of your desktop are what's known as icons. And if you look closely at these icons, you'll notice that all of them, with the exception of one on this desktop, have a small blue arrow in a white box at the bottom left-hand corner of the icon. Now, this arrow denotes that the icon is a shortcut, and what we mean by that is the icon is a pathway to the actual program or file that is filed away inside your computer. Now, that's very useful to us because we can create shortcuts to favourite programs or files inside our computer, and then with 2 clicks we're straight into our program. Now, I'm not saying that every icon is a shortcut. It just so happens that on this desktop all of them with the exception of one are shortcuts. Now, the icon without an arrow is what's known as the recycle bin. On every Windows operating system we have a recycle bin. The reason being is that if you delete something by mistake, we can easily restore it back to its original place. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to delete a couple of icons to arrange my desktop. And I'm going to delete the PB accessory store, and I'm also going to delete the Cam Studio. There's 2 ways of doing this. If you move your mouse or cursor over the top of the icon and then right click once, a menu appears, and third from bottom is the word delete. If you move your mouse or cursor over the word delete and left click, a dialog box will appear, and in that dialog box it says delete shortcut. Are you sure you want to move the shortcut to the recycle bin? Deleting this shortcut does not uninstall the program. It only removes the icon that points to the program. Well, we do want to delete this shortcut, so I'm going to click the yes button with a left click, and our icon is deleted to the recycle bin. Now, the other way of deleting an icon is to move your mouse or cursor over the top of the icon and hold down your left click button and drag the icon over the recycling bin. Release your left click to drop the icon, and that has gone into the recycle bin. So let's take a look in our recycle bin. Double click over your recycle bin with your left mouse button, and we open the window with the contents of the recycle bin. Inside are the 2 icons that we've deleted, and now I'm going to restore those icons back to where they were. So I'm going to move my mouse or cursor over the top of the Cam Studio, left click once to highlight it, and up above is the option to restore this item. Left click once. Another warning box comes up. Destination folder access denied. You will need to provide administrator permission to move to this folder. Well, I can tell you that I am an administrator on this computer, and you should be on yours if it is your own personal computer. So let's click continue with a left click on continue. Box opens up, moving our shortcut, and the Cam Studio is restored back to the desktop. Now, the other way of restoring something from the desktop is to move over the icon or file and left click to highlight it, and then right click once, and a menu appears and it says restore. Move our mouse or cursor over restore and left click. Again, our warning box appears, destination folder access denied. Well, we are an administrator, we can do this, so let's click continue with the left click. And the PB accessory store is returned to the desktop. Let's exit out of our recycle bin, and that's working with icons. Thank you.